These bundles of sticks will soon become a sea of beautiful roses. Let me show you how we do it. So we get 1 shipment of bare root roses per year. These are going to be our specialty roses for cut flowers, fragrant roses, and things like our specialty climbing roses, which we only get at this time of the year. So in order to give them the best head start, as soon as we get them out of the box, they get placed into our secret formula of root stimulator in here, so that way the roots can get soaked, hydrated, and get a nice coating of root stimulator on them before they get planted. Next, everything gets a fresh cut, so we'll trim off some of the longer roots to make sure that it fits down into the pot, and then we give the stems a little bit of a trim as well and open it up to give it better branching structure and stimulate new growth. Next, everything gets planted. We use fiber pots on these, that way people can plant them straight into the ground inside of these biodegradable pots, but we're using a rose mix here that they get planted into, and then make sure that they're nice and snug down in those pots. Next, we will get them all tagged and spaced out on the floor. And then once they're all planted and on the ground, we're actually going to put greenhouse plastic over the top of them for a few weeks in order to increase the temperature and humidity that gets them to sprout a little bit quicker. And once they are growing, we will continue to give them root stimulator and fertilizer to give them the best head start. So yeah, they are not ready to sell yet, but it won't be long before they are blooming and ready to go.